Was Gaddafi a visionary leader who fell victim to circumstance, or a power-hungry tyrant who deserved his downfall? This question forces us to grapple with the contradictions of Muammar Gaddafi's rule. In this video, we will explore Gaddafi's policies, from free education and healthcare to accusations of human rights abuses. By examining the impact of his leadership, we can understand if Gaddafi truly improved the lives of Libyans, or if he was the mad dog of the Middle East, a phrase coined by President Reagan during his presidency in the 1980s. Did Gaddafi's upbringing as a Bedouin nomad shape his leadership style and his determination to change Libya? Gaddafi didn't come from a wealthy background. He was born into a Bedouin family who were desert nomads, living a tough life that likely taught him to be independent and self-reliant early on. Gaddafi encountered revolutionary ideas in school, such as Arab unity and opposition to colonial rule, which were gaining traction throughout the Middle East. These ideas deeply influenced him and sparked his passion for activism. As a young man, he started to organize. He formed a secret group with other military officers who were unhappy with Libya's leader, King Idris. Many people in Libya thought King Idris was too close to Western countries and ignored his own people's needs. In 1969, when the king went abroad for medical treatment, Gaddafi and his group saw their chance. They carried out a quick, peaceful coup that overthrew the monarchy and started a new chapter in Libya under Gaddafi's leadership. How did Gaddafi's education and infrastructure policies affect Libyans' daily lives? Under Gaddafi's rule, Libya saw remarkable improvements in education and infrastructure, including significant strides in technology. Before Gaddafi took power in 1969, Libya had one of the lowest literacy rates in the world, with only about 10% of the population able to read and write. By the end of his rule, the literacy rate had increased dramatically to over 80%. This was largely due to his policy of free education, which extended from elementary school all the way to higher education. Many Libyans now have greater access to higher education, thanks to the construction and expansion of universities and technical schools. In terms of infrastructure, Gaddafi's government invested heavily in the country's physical and technological development. This included the construction of thousands of kilometers of roads and extensive housing projects that provided homes for countless Libyans. The Great Man-Made River Project, considered a marvel of modern engineering, was one of his most ambitious projects. Its design was to transport water from aquifers in the Sahara Desert to populous coastal regions. Technology also saw significant advances. The government promoted the use of telecommunications and began to develop internet access towards the latter part of his rule. Although technological growth was not as rapid as in some other countries, these improvements helped modernize Libya.
That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.